My friends, look, this is our project for the science fair. Each person decides what they will bring. The idea is to use a water fountain pump to move the water.
We need to bring the project requirements. Yeah, we need to work fast.
Have we finished gathering the project requirements, friends?
Yes, I will explain the role of each person on the team.
And then?
Done. It works. Wow. Incredible. Look at it flow. Science is amazing.
Woohoo! Amazing!
We did it!
Wonderful, team!
Physics scientist. Yeah! Bara and Mohammed check the kinetic force. Adam, Mustafa, Samir setting a new course. We cracked the code. We own the lab. The future's in our hands. Yeah, that's a fact! Physics scientist! We bring the quantum leap! Physics scientist! The secrets that we keep!
Thank you to our teacher and leader, Mr. Abdul Rahman, for encouraging us to move forward. We would like to thank Mr. Ibrahim Jamal for all the support he provides us. We thank Mr. Hussam for his support in completing the project. A big thank you to our parents for their help. They have all our love. Thank you to the team members for completing the work.